Here's Leo. Leo. Follow Daddy. Where you going? Leo. Whoops, too close. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Leo. Leo. Don't eat the rocks.
Leo.
Go see Daddy. Whistle. Trying to get him to gate. He said, it's too fun out here. Leo. Hi. Hi. You got a dirty face now. You got a dirty face. I want mommy. Go get daddy. Go get daddy. Go get daddy. Go get daddy. No, don't chew on the rocks. Hey. No, no, no. No, no.
Come on.
Call him.
Leo.
Oh, he's got the weed now.
Stuck to his foot.
Leave it. Go.
Leo. You deaf dog.
He says, I'm going to go play with Boomer. Come on. Happy.
Come here.
Leo. Leo.
This smells a good truck.
Come on.
Leo.
Good boy. Get him to go a little bit faster. Get it, Leo. Go get it. Oh, he found a different stick. He says, bye. He says, where'd it go? Where'd it go? He didn't see where it went. Can you bring it here? Leo. Pop, pop, pop. He says, no, I got a toy. Bring it here. Good boy. Come here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good boy. Can I have it, please? Let me have it. There you go. Give it to me. Drop it. Good puppy. No. Jump in. Whoops, as he falls over backwards. Okay, and this is Leo at 12 weeks.